When we place our complete faith in Sai Baba, He grants what we ask for and blesses us with what we truly need, even without us asking. His divine grace works in mysterious ways, guiding and protecting His devotees at every step. Om Sai Ram, welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. In this episode, I bring you the incredible experiences of Srimati Venkatalakshmiji from Bengaluru, is a devotee whom Baba has blessed in every aspect of her life. Her unwavering faith in Baba has carried her through life's toughest challenges, and today she shares some of the miraculous blessings she has received. Venkatalakshmiji's entire family is deeply devoted to Baba, considering him their ultimate protector and guide. Her husband, Sri Sainathji, was a kind hearted man who always helped others. While working in the government sector, he was a guarantor for several needy friends. Unfortunately, when those friends failed to repay their dues, he had to bear the burden himself. He initially hid the financial crisis from Venkatalakshmiji, hoping to manage it on his own. But as the situation worsened, he had no choice but to reveal everything. Despite working in government jobs, they lost all their savings, assets, and financial security due to her husband's generosity. They had to sell their property, dispose of LIC bonds, and exhaust every possible resource to clear the debts. This hardship came at a crucial time when they had to support their three growing children and manage their education expenses. Throughout this challenging phase, Venkatalakshmiji remained steadfast in her faith, praying to Baba to care for their family. The financial strain, combined with guilt, took a toll on her husband's health, and he eventually fell ill. However, Baba's grace ensured that he did not suffer for long. Within just 5 days of illness, he peacefully merged with Baba. Venkatalakshmiji firmly believes that Baba's divine blessings helped her family survive those hardships and allowed her children to complete their education. Her son later became a bank officer, and as time passed, she began to think about his marriage. Given their financial situation and the fact that he had two unmarried sisters, many alliances backed out after learning about their circumstances. Despite the setbacks, Venkatalakshmiji remained devoted to Baba. She never sought dowry and only wished for an understanding and kind hearted bride for her son. Eventually, a suitable alliance came their way, a family that did not object to their financial situation and was warm and cooperative. With Baba's grace, her son married a wonderful girl who became integral to their family. Venkatalakshmiji expresses her deep gratitude, saying that Baba not only reduced her pain of losing her husband, but also fulfilled a heartfelt wish she had made. She prayed to Baba that since her husband could not live for 100 years, he should be reborn in their family as a grandson as he could continue living with them. Amazingly, her daughter in law gave birth to a baby boy on December 12th, the same day as her late husband's birthday. What a divine coincidence! Venkatalakshmiji is confident that Baba answered her prayers and sent her husband, Sainathji, back to them in the form of their grandson. Today, she is content and grateful for the life Baba has given her. Despite severe financial troubles, Baba has placed her family in a stable and happy position. Her son and younger daughter are bank officers, while her elder daughter is happily married and settled in USA. She has a loving daughter-in-law and a beautiful grandson, Sai Babu, who brings immense joy to their lives. Venkatalakshmiji firmly believes that when we place complete faith in Baba, he takes care of everything, guiding us through life's ups and downs and ultimately putting us in a comfortable and secure position. Let us all pray to Sai Baba with unwavering faith and devotion, trusting that he'll take care of everything for us. We'll meet again in the next episode to experience yet another divine blessing from Baba. Om Sai Ram.